In today's competitive global environment, technology-based manufacturers know the reliable components and assemblies they've come to depend upon just don't happen by chance. With shorter product life cycles, demand for increased product quality, and decreased production costs, companies everywhere must re-examine their approach to outsourcing. In the past, OEMs have relied on subcontractors offering traditional production technologies. Unfortunately, these traditional approaches have trouble meeting current customer demands. Coupled with higher costs, worker liability, and quality concerns, manual alternatives are not always a competitive long-term solution. Now, there's a new choice in manufacturing technology, the Mold-O-Matic Corporation, Mamco. State-of-the-art automation that combines the flexibility of skilled production labor with the quality and economics of customized assembly machinery. Faster and more powerful than traditional automation, the Mamco approach will generate the volume and consistency required by the most challenging assembly programs. The choice is intelligent, robotic, integrated systems, IRIS, from Mamco. Utilizing world-class suppliers of precision inserts, including stampings, multi-wire brushes, screw machine, and decorative components, Mamco has pioneered an innovative approach to insert molding and assembly that goes beyond the limits of traditional manufacturing. IRIS customized software drives the robotics, vision, conveyor, and packaging systems selected for each application. This powerful solution is based on in-house design, mold flow simulation, and concurrent engineering. In many cases, multiple or decorative inserts can be introduced into a system, resulting in reduced secondary operations and labor costs, consistent quality, increased volume, and lower per-unit costs. Intelligent robotic integrated systems from Mamco have provided more productive, cost-efficient solutions to today's electromechanical challenges. Join us now as we examine IRIS in action. Our first example of an IRIS application is a work center which begins with a precision metal strip, stamped to exacting tolerances and with various selective platings. Produced in continuous reel form to flow smoothly into and throughout the system. Through the preformed die into an aqueous cleaner. All residual oils and foreign properties are washed away. Next, the parts travel onto the cut-in-place station. Here, each individual insert is cut away from the carrier strip and meticulously loaded into each cavity of the mold base. After all cavities are loaded, this base rotates to the molding station. In real time, your parts travel the entire table in seconds and never need the traditional setups required for multiple operations. After molding, these parts travel to the post-mold forming station. Here, a proprietary process enables Mamco to form in exacting tolerances as dictated by customer needs. This station eliminates the need for secondary inspection and forming as required in a manual environment. Next, the parts travel to a multi-head pick-and-place robot, which removes each part from the mold base and loads them onto a conveyor system. Continuing along to the inspection station, each part is viewed by a 2-camera vision system. Camera 1 checks overall contact height. Camera 2 checks solder tail leg length. Both cameras check the overall part geometry. In the event the vision system identifies an out-of-spec condition, a robotic arm removes the suspect part for evaluation. After the vision system evaluation, parts are picked up and placed into recyclable, custom-formed packing trays, ready for shipping. Fully loaded trays are then stacked and boxed with all required quality documentation and shipped to another satisfied customer. With multi-conveyor systems, Mamco was able to adapt 2 molding presses into a single work center, substantially reducing labor while increasing the efficiency and quality percentages. This system utilizes an insertion head which preloads each cavity with a spindle. The loaded base shuttles into the molding chamber. The opposite base is extracting the finished parts and rotating them to the conveyors, where they're transported to the packaging station. In-process inspection enables Mamco to execute all quality functions right at the work center. Then, these parts go directly to shipping with all required inspection data, arriving at the customer's location with no need for incoming inspection. This has led to worldwide recognition of Mamco as a certified supplier of quality electromechanical solutions. The next work center incorporates one of Mamco's more intuitive systems. A lay-flat, selectively plated strip containing 2 distinctively different stampings is carried through a series of pre-mold operations. Out of the die and through an aqueous cleaner, parts travel into the insertion head station. This unique, patent-pending insertion device is responsible for loading not 1, but 2 stampings from a single carrier strip. Originally proposed as a clock spring, Mamco's engineering team redesigned this carrier strip, which has led to improved manufacturability. This cutting-edge technology has enabled Mamco to introduce cost reduction strategies where multiple secondary operations were once the only option. Next, the mold base rotates to another loading station, introducing a 3rd insert into each cavity. With this delicate scenario, the next station probes for each insert and, in the event of a missing stamping, the base will continue to rotate but will not mold. This safety feature reduces costly mold maintenance and downtime. After the probe station, the base rotates into the molding chamber. Then, the runner is automatically removed and discarded. The parts are then picked and placed by a multi-head robot and rotated onto a conveyor. Each part is then viewed in a vision system verifying stamping location, solder tail leg lengths, and overall part geometry. In the event of an out-of-spec condition, the vision system will place the suspect part aside for further evaluation. All qualified parts are then placed in a recyclable custom packaging tray and shipped with all required SPC documentation. Mamco's intelligent, robotic, integrated systems approach works around the clock, utilizing patented computer-based technology that ensures tight production parameters. To meet the demands of high-volume production, Mamco's Iris systems are engineered to efficiently deliver reliable, high-quality products. High-speed automation, intelligent product handling, online quality inspection, total system solutions to meet your total requirements today. When it comes to factory-proven automation, Mamco delivers. Mamco, world-class solutions for today's most demanding automation challenges.